sont comme le bon vin. Ils donnent de la joie ou bien du chagrin. Affaibli par la faim, je suis malheureux. Pas longtemps chemin, tout ce que je peux, car rien n'est gratuit.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fakir bin Ramli. My number matrix T2020109348. Hi guys, hope you are well. We are gonna make the most delicious comforting mushroom soup. The idea of boring soup, forget it. We are taking soup to the next level, cozy and the deep flavor amazing. It's gonna be comfort food to the hill. So before we start our cooking, as a food handler, make sure you wear clean and complete clothes before entering the kitchen, like me. So I will show you the ingredient we use to make the mushroom soup.
Avengers! Assemble.
Hi, let's start cooking. Step 1. Turn on the heat and heat the pot and put the butter in the pot. Next, saute onion and garlic until brown.
Hello, it's me.
Add the mushroom and saute and leave for a while. Add chicken stock powder that has been mixed with the water. And let it boil for a while. After boiling, drain the soup and make sure not to be too fine. After grinding, reheat the soup. Next, season with a pinch of salt and with the white pepper. Add whipping cream by taking 2 ladle of soup and mix with whipping cream and mix separately before mixing with soup. The fire should be slow in order to avoid lumpy soup texture. Lastly, let the soup boil for a while and tada! Look, soup is ready to be served. Yum yum yum. This is the result. Wow, this looks very tasty. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Les rêves des amoureux sont comme le bon vin. Ils donnent de la joie ou bien du chagrin. Affaibli par la faim, je suis malheureux. Pas longtemps chemin, tout ce que je peux, car rien n'est gratuit dans la vie. L'espoir est un plat bien trop vite consommé, à sauter